Hi everybody. I'm not Dr. Nick. The Philadelphia Semiconductor Index just defied gravity, surging 45% in a mere 18 sessions. This vertical ascent represents one of the most concentrated displays of AI fever in market history, setting the stage for a high-stakes collision between exponential valuations and the cold reality of Q1 earnings. Global Market Pulse. Markets enter the week of April 27, 2026, caught between a war in Iran energy shock and a relentless AI boom. While Brent Crude flirts with $108 per barrel due to Strait of Hormuz disruptions, equities remain resilient, buoyed by a historic S&P 500 breach of the 7,000 level. U.S. sector performance. Last week, the U.S. markets continued a volatile V-shaped recovery. While the S&P 500 reached new all-time highs near 7,165, the rally became highly concentrated in technology, while defensive and energy-related sectors shifted as ceasefire talks in the Middle East impacted commodity prices. The following data summarizes the movement and primary catalysts for the 11 main sectors for the week ending April 24, 2026. Sector movement. Key drivers. Information technology. Up. AI infrastructure enthusiasm and semiconductor demand sparked a vertical rally. Consumer discretionary. Up. Robust Q1 spending patterns and easing recessionary fears boosted sentiment. Communication services. Up. Major platform growth and ad spend recovery fueled significant investor appetite. Real estate. Up. Stabilizing yields and institutional rotation into undervalued commercial assets drove gains. Financials. Up. Better than expected bank earnings and healthy net interest margins supported prices. Industrials. Up. Defense contracts and aerospace recovery offset rising raw material costs. Healthcare. Up. Defensive positioning softened as investors rotated toward higher growth cyclical names. Consumer staples. Down. Flat performance as capital moved into risk on assets and tech. Materials. Down. Global manufacturing uncertainty and fluctuating metal prices weighed on outlook. Utilities. Down. Rising bond yields made high-dividend utility stocks less attractive relatively. Energy. Down. Profit-taking following earlier war-driven gains as ceasefire rumors surfaced briefly. Top strategic movers by exchange. U.S. Nvidia. Dominant AI chip demand. Mercedes-Benz autonomous driving software catalyst. Risk. Supply chain bottlenecks in advanced HBM3E memory chips. U.S. Alphabet. Aggressive AI integration into search and cloud infrastructure dominance. Risk. Regulatory scrutiny regarding anti-competitive AI search practices. UK, BP, surging Brent crude prices and renewed focus on fossil fuel yields. Risk, potential UK windfall tax expansion on energy profits. UK, HSBC, benefit from structurally higher interest rates and Asian growth pivot. Risk, exposure to continued volatility in Chinese commercial property. European, ASML, sole provider of OV lithography machines essential for AI chips. Risk, tightening export restrictions on high-end chip-making equipment. European, LVMH, resilience in ultra-luxury demand despite broader European economic cooling. Risk, sudden slowdown in aspirational luxury spending in Asia. Japan, Toyota, record-breaking hybrid sales and favorable yen-denominated export earnings. Risk, potential Bank of Japan pivot strengthening the yen. Japan, Tokyo Electron, massive capex from global foundries seeking AI-ready manufacturing tools. Risk, retaliatory trade tariffs impacting semiconductor equipment shipping routes. Click the subscribe button to be informed. Conditions and trends. A great divergence has emerged. While the US and Japan ride the AI wave to record highs, the UK and Europe struggle with energy-driven inflation. Central banks are no longer synchronized, the Fed remains in wait-and-see mode, while the Bank of Japan edges toward further tightening. Here at the Stock Market Performance Playlist is this week's Stock Terminology Learner. What is AI monetization? AI monetization is the process of generating revenue from artificial intelligence through subscriptions, API licensing, data insights, or integrating AI-driven features into products and services. Example, April 27, 2026. As of today, OpenAI has diversified its revenue by launching contextual ads within ChatGPT to subsidize free users, alongside a new $100 per month pro tier designed to compete with high-end coding assistants. Simultaneously, companies like Shopify are using the agentic commerce protocol, allowing AI agents to autonomously negotiate and complete purchases for users directly within chat interfaces. The week ahead, all eyes turn to Big Tech Week as Microsoft, Amazon, and Apple report earnings, providing the ultimate verdict on AI monetization. Concurrently, the Bank of Japan's rate decision on Tuesday and the Fed's policy commentary will dictate the global liquidity narrative. Watch the $108 oil mark. Any breach higher could trigger an immediate stagflationary sell-off. We're polling right now. With U.S. tech cooling off in March, where is your safe haven for Q2 2026? Go to our community tab to cast your vote. Channel memberships and new merchandise are now available. Watch for the weekly videos dropping on Mondays and Thursdays. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always perform your own due diligence before investing. 2 broker offers available, see video description. Bonus rewards are waiting for you. Leave a message in the comments. Like and share. Bye everybody.
This is the Stock Market Performance Playlist, the sound of victory. Peace.